This is Scholar Strive doing some math. Today we'll be writing and graphing equations of circles. So this is a equation of a circle in standard form, where h and k are the center of the circle and r is the radius. Now just to note, so because this is x minus h, when you're looking for your center, your h is the opposite sign, and your k is also the opposite sign in this case. K is the opposite sign. And we'll do an example of what that means. Okay, write the equation of a circle known. So we're doing that top equation there. So all we need is the radius. And the radius is easy to find. 1, 2. So the radius is 2. And we need to know the center. The center of the circle is at 0, 0. So my equation is x minus h. So remember, this is h and k. X minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 2 squared. So this will just become x squared plus y squared equals 4. And that's it. We're just writing the equation in the circle. We don't need to solve for x or y. Okay, let's do another one. So our center is at 0, 0. And this is counting off by 2, so this is 2, 4, 6. Radius of 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so this is going to be x squared plus y squared equals 6 squared. So x squared plus y squared equals 36. Okay, example 2, right? The standard equation of a circle with center 0, comma, -5. So h is 0, k is -5, r is 3. Okay, so we're going to use our formula. X minus h squared plus y minus k. K is -5 squared plus, or equals, radius squared. So x squared plus y plus 5 squared, and you can keep it like that. You don't need a FOIL because this is already simplified, equals 9. That's it. That's all you need to do. So you notice how in this formula here, my k is -5, right? But becomes a plus 5 in the equation. So that's what I meant by we're going to use the opposite sign. All right, example 3. The point -3, 4 is on the circle with a center of -1, 2. Write the standard equation of a circle. Okay, so we need h, k, and r. So we know the center of the circle. That's -1 and 2. Now we need to find r. So to find r, because this circle is not, it looks like it's not a whole number here. So we need to find the distance between the center and that point that they gave us. So we're going to use the distance formula. All right, so to find r, this is the square root of, okay, the difference in our x values. So -3 minus -1 squared plus the differences in our y values, 4 minus 2 squared. So this is going to equal to -3 plus 1, which is -2 squared, plus 2 squared, which is the square root of 4 plus 4, which is the square root of 8. Okay, and then we're going to use this for r. Because when we write our formula, okay, x minus -1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals square root of 8 squared. So we'll get x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals square root of 8 squared, which is 8. Okay, write the standard equation of a circle with -3, 5 as my center and radius 4. Okay, so x minus -3 squared plus y minus -5 squared equals 4 squared. So this will be x plus 3, y plus 5 equals 16. Checkpoint 3. -1, 2 is on the circle with center at 3, -3. Okay, write the equation of the circle. Okay, so we have an HK, and we need to find the radius. So the radius is the distance between those 2 points, the center and the point on the circle. So I'm going to do the square root of, I'm just going to do left point minus right point. So -1 minus 3 squared plus 2 minus 3 squared. And that'll give us square root of -4 squared plus 5 squared. So that'll give me 16 plus 25, which is the square root of 41. So my formula is x minus 3 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals the square root of 41 squared, which is 41. Example 4, graph the circle with the equation, with that equation. Okay, so remember, this is h, this is k, and we're going to use the opposite sign of what it says. So my center is +2, comma, -3. So we're going to go ahead and make that dot. To, oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, that's my center. So h and k. And then r. Okay, so this is my r squared value. So that's r squared. So r is the square root of 16, which is 4. So this is kind of how I do it. I start from my center and go up 4, make a dot, go back to my center, go right 4, make a dot, and then go back to the center, go to the bottom 4, and then left 4. And then I do my best to make a circle. So make sure your circles are curvier and less like eyeballs, I guess, if you can. Let's do another one. Okay, HK -2, comma, +1. This is r squared. So r is the square root of 9, so 3. So we go down to -2, 1, or up, I guess. And then go up 3, make a dot, right 3, make a dot, down 3, make a dot, left 3, make a dot. And then we sketch our circle here. Alright, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a good one.